Okay, Walaikum Assalam. Okay, my screen is not visible now. Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir. Not
see, check
visible.
once again. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Now
Then now it is visible.
Okay, okay, that's fine. So,
now
okay,
visible.
okay, I'm giving you some question of from the exercises, so you start doing it. Okay,
Yes, sir. Sir, please speak one more time.
okay. Exercise 9.1, page 163.
Sir,
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Okay, this is question 2.5 meter. Question number 2. Okay, 2.2 meter to 150 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen it carefully how to do it and do it stepwise. Okay,
Sir, please convert in centimeter.
first of all,
25.
it is easy to convert in centimeter. So first convert it. Okay, we are writing 2.5 meter to centimeter. This we are first converting. Okay, so we know that 2.5 into 100,
100.
then it will be how much? 250.
Yes, sir. 250 centimeter.
Yes, remember to write down the units also. Beta, don't do that.
Sir,
Who is
but
doing?
in
Yes.
ratio we will not write.
Huh?
In ratio we will not write.
Beta, I'm not. Beta, who is this? Who is this? Tell me. Send me the name. I just informed it.
God, goal Who is this? Sir, I think Kulsum is there.
Okay, send me the name.
Sir, Kulsum, I think.
Okay. Okay, I will report it right now. Just wait.
No, sir, I have not written them.
I will definitely tell your name, Kulsum. Definitely. And you will receive the.
Sir, I have not written on the screen.
Who will write it?
So, no, sir, I have not written. I have not even put my hand on the.
Just see it on the board. Just okay. So what we're doing, we just convert it. So we get 250 centimeter, and the thing is 150 centimeter. So we make it 250 upon 150. Simplify it. This zero.
So, it will get 1.
The zero will be
means 2.
cancelled out.
5, 5, 5. 5 upon 3.
It will be 525, and it will be 5 upon 3. Okay.
5 to 3.
Is it clear? So remember this thing. If you are doing wrong conversion, then again it will be answer will be wrong. Okay, and if you do wrong simplification, then again it will be wrong. Okay, let's do question number 4 and send it to me right now.
Sorry, question number 2.
Exercise
9.5.
This you have to do in homework also. So
Okay.
2 questions I am telling you right now.
Show that PDF again.
Previous slide, this one.
Yes, sir. Just wait a minute. Sir, which question you are saying to do right now?
Question 4, beta, send it to me. I want proper steps. Okay, no one just.
Length of sir, this one. The length
Fourth
of a
question,
rectangular.
the length of a rectangular room.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, doing. The length of a
rectangular.
We will 68. Sir, units are same, so we will not convert the unit.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, we will just simplify and then write in
Send
ratio.
it to me with proper steps. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In tomorrow's test also, in physics and chemistry, everything should be written in a very proper way. Okay. Tomorrow at the time of test, I will give you some instructions, okay, at that time. So you have to do accordingly. And inshallah, very soon after these 2 tests, I will have your maths test also. Okay.
Of which chapter, sir?
Okay, sir.
I will
Sir, 8th
discuss-
chapter, right?
I will discuss it later. Okay. Just do
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay, sir. Length of a rectangular.
Find the ratio of its length.
Is equals to 12 meter.
Don't say, everyone is listening. Okay. Just do yourself, send
Okay.
it to me. Remember, everyone see the board, find the ratio of its length to its width. Okay, sometimes it is a little bit opposite, okay, width to length, then it will be opposite answer. Always concentrate what is given. We have to find length to width or width to length.
Sir,
Beta,
do
Yes,
we
sir.
have to simplify it also?
beta, it is necessary. Everyone listen it carefully. Answer should be given in the simplest form, whatever type of question is. Okay, whatever be the type of question, just give the answer in the simplest form, in fraction, decimal, in anything.
Sir, I have done, but
Do it stepwise. Do it neat and clean and stepwise and stepwise solution. One student has sent me. Kulsum has sent me. Beta Kulsum, just I told you do it stepwise. You should write like a language also, na? Means length is given here 6 point, like this. Length is equals to 12 meter. Width is equals to
6.8 meter.
okay, 6.8 meter. Okay, ratio is equals to 12 upon 6.8, like this stepwise. If you are doing like this, okay, without
Sir, I am
just
doing like that only.
that will be okay. Then I will give you full marks. Otherwise, I will cut your marks. I told it several times earlier also.
Okay, sir.
And who is making this again? I will respond.
Sir, Nadia.
Okay.
Sir, this is Nadia.
Nidia is doing, and she is not listening. Okay, she will listen now. Send it to me fast.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Sir,
Sir, please, sir, your screen is not visible, sir. Sir, I was doing the steps.
Sir, my answer is wrong. Sir, please tell.
If you will do 120
Kulsum.
upon 60, 26 that was 60, 56, before that 2,
Okay. 2:17. Okay.
Allah.
How will it will be 2? Beta. Yes, Kulsum. Yes, beta. How it comes?
Mobile is hanging.
Beta, it's wrong. Kulsum, do it correct.
Sir, answer is coming. My
Yes, yes. Ubada has said it. Very good.
1 is to 10.
Ubada, something is missing. Do it correct. This is wrong. Ubada, are you listening?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, I am listening to you.
This is very easy, beta. You are forgetting the things again and again, huh? Let me check who will send me the correct answer.
Sir, I'm doing again. My answer was coming wrong.
Yes, this is very, very easy. Just you have to use your previous chapter's knowledge. Whether see it carefully, a little mistake is there. You are doing right. A little mistake is there.
Okay, sir. I'm
I think you will do it correctly.
2 6 that 12 62. Sir, my answer has came.
Just send me again.
Sir, I'm sending you.
Sir, I found my mistake. It was written 6.8 meters.
Yes, yes. I'm saying na. You will find your mistake and you will correct yourself. Just boys and girls, please send me quick. See here, I'm telling you, there is a decimal. Okay, 6.8.
Yes, sir.
So everyone be cautious wherever decimal is comes. Just be attentive at that point. Okay, what we are doing first, as we are doing in decimals and fraction also, we are just removing the decimal. One place we have to shift the decimal. So 10 by number containing 10, we have to multiply with this number. Okay, then it will become, this fraction will become 120/68. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now simplify it, you will get the answer.
Yes.
It will be 60, it will be 3, it will be 4, it will be 30, it will be 17. So answer comes to be 30/70 is to 17, or we can say 30/17.
Sir, point was also there. I'm not seeing the point.
Beta, you don't have book, beta?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
Beta, I am writing this from the book. This question is,
Yes, sir. Point is there. 12/6.
remember, if there is a decimal point, you should remove it first. Then only you will convert and make it into ratio. Yes, everyone send me fast so that you will do fifth question. Fifth question is very easy. Just the main thing in this question is to try to understand the language. Ubada, are you listening me? Okay, I mute you everyone. That's why. Okay, Ubada, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Beta, send
Yes,
me
sir.
if you understand. If you completed fourth question, send me fifth one. Everyone send me quick so that you will start doing the fifth question. Fifth question very easy. Only the thing is that it is a you have to concentrate on the language. Okay, Mantasha, tell me beta first.
Sir, in question number 5, there are 3 parts, so we
Yes,
have to
yes,
do all
all
the
the
3
three,
parts.
all the three. This is very, very important. I'm telling it.
Okay.
This question is very
Sir,
important.
I have resent you my question number 4.
Okay, I will check it later.
Sir, I have also sent you. Please check.
Okay, beta, wait.
Sir, I have not written one thing that I have
Okay,
told you in order.
okay. Yes, Shari
In
Shanwas.
a year.
Okay, listen. Okay. Shari Shanwas. Okay, this is answer is correct, but you should write the steps also. Means what thing is given to you, what thing is given in the question.
Sir, who? To whom?
To Shari Shanwas.
Okay, sir.
Beta, everyone send me because if you are doing this way, so it will become a habit and you will lose your marks in the test or examination. I'm emphasizing it again and again so that you should start doing complete steps. I'm saying it earlier also. I'm said it earlier also. I'm right now. I'm also saying answer will matter when your steps are correct.
Yes, sir.
Everyone listen carefully.
Question
Yes, Khizr, that's right. And you as you have to simplify the fraction. Okay, so do it neat and clean. Okay, or make a margin here. Okay, beta, whose camera is on? Make a margin here.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, make a margin or rough work. Or rough work, do it here. Okay. Okay. Ubada, it's correct. Okay, but still you have to write length is given as 12 meter, breadth is given as 6.8. Okay. Information should be
Okay, sir.
complete.
Yes, sir, I understand what are you trying to
Okay.
say.
Question number 5 is very important. Just it is a game of language. Okay, just understand the
Sir, I
language.
have sent you my first part of question number 5.
Sir, all parts of question number 5 I have
Yes,
sent.
do all 5. Ubada, it's correct. But I'm just telling you this thing that please write it step by means you have to mention also earning is from 2,50,000. Okay, save this. Okay, 75,000 this way.
Yes, sir.
If
Okay,
you are
sir,
doing
in
again
the
and again
next
this
one
way,
I'll
na,
write.
if you are doing again and again, then it will become a habit. And yes, Kulsum, who is this? Okay. Okay, do it. Complete it. Simplify it also, Kulsum. Yes, Mariam Mandasha, you are going to say something? You are raising your hand. Yes, Mariam Mandasha, you can talk now. I unmute you.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Now it's visible, beta. See it again.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain question number 5th?
Beta, okay, I'm explaining question number 5th. In a year,
Sir, it's very
Rajni
easy.
earns- Yes, beta, listen. Rajni is a person
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
whose earning is 2,50,000. Okay. And saving is 75,000. Okay. Find the ratio. Ratio of what thing? In the first part, you have to find a ratio of Rajni earns to money she saves, means earning to saving. In the first part, you have to find a ratio to earning to saving, means earning to saving. That's why I'm saying this, that it is totally on the language, how you will understand the language.
Please show one time previous page, sir. Please show one time.
Sir, it's very easy.
Yes, better, it's easy. I'm also
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
In first part we have to just simplify, and in
second part is
we
very
have
important. Yes, who will do second part? Ubada, just if you
sir,
are
we have
able
to
to do.
just subtract.
Sir, I am doing
Because
just.
Yes,
Subtract
we will
is the
subtract from
very,
the
very
total
good.
number.
That's very,
Total
very
number
good.
70.
Yes, sir, we have to subtract in second part.
Very good.
And
From
that
Very fast.
2,50,000 minus 75,000. That is equals to 1 lakh.
So it's in this question, just make two things very clear. Unit should be same and express the answer in the simplest form. And one new type of fraction or thing is come, that if decimal is there, so remove the decimal first. And you already know how to do it, as you done in chapter fraction or decimal also. Paul Mazura sent me. Okay. Okay, first part is correct. Now do it, second part. Yes, Fatma Zora, do next part. It's correct, first one. Yes, send me Ubada, you completed the second part. If you do it, and then send it to me. Ubada send me. Okay. Okay, money she save itna, money she spend itna. Okay, this is the first. Simplify it. Ubada, simplify it. You send me this. Yes, send, anyone sending? All the questions are very, very easy. Just only you have to concentrate two things. To whom, which I have to find, we have to find the ratios with whom. Okay, this is important. Fraction means decimal is there, to you have to remove the decimal and unit makes unit same. Yes, every question is expressed in the simplest form. Listen everyone, Abada, Everything has to be expressed in the simplest form. Okay. Sharish, okay, then find a ratio. Then you do it, you subtract it, then find a ratio. Ratio to whom? Money she saves to the money she spends. Yes, Sharish, are you there? Yes, you can talk now. You can speak. Is
Yes,
it clear?
sir.
Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are subtracting, and first then you have to find a ratio also. Means with whom we have to find a ratio, with which number? Money she saved to the money she spent. Okay, do it.
Okay, sir.
Hamza comment message has come. Okay. Hamza Kamas, after subtracting, where is the ratio? In this question, just do not subtract, find the ratio. See in the question, first line, fifth question, find a ratio of 1, 2, 3, three parts. After subtracting, you should find the ratio also. Yes, Hamza Kamal is typing. Okay, give me, beta Yusuf, turn off your camera. Just send me fast. Who is Shari Sharma? Send me the answer divided by 100. Beta, why you do this? Why you divide it by 100? You have to make find a ratio. Means as we are doing the first part, Shari Shanwas, listen. Okay, you can talk now, Shari Shanwas. Okay, why you have divided by 100? Yes, tell me. Yes, Shai Shanaz, you can talk now. Okay. After subtracting, you have to make the ratio to the money she spent. Okay. Money saved to money spent. You have to make the ratio of this. Okay. Yes, Mandasha, you are raising your hand. Tell me fast. Mantasha, you can talk now. Ubada, yes, beta.
Sir, can you please explain the simplification of question 5th first part?
First part. Beta, it's
Yes, sir.
very easy. 25. Okay, I'm writing it on the screen. Okay, it's a 2 5. 4 zeros are there. Okay, and it is 75. How many 2 zeros are there? Okay. So we cut 2 0 from this side. Okay. And 75,000 is there. Okay, 1 0 is more. So 3 zeros. What is left? 250 upon 75. So it will be divided by 5 and divided by 5. When you divide it, you will get 30 upon 17. Okay. $25 1 times 25 and 25 3 times is 75. Yes, Ubad, is it clear now?
Sir, your screen was not visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir, now it's visible.
3030, what is left? 250 upon 75. 25 is 25, 25 3 is 75, 0 is left. Okay, so it will be 10 upon
Yes, sir.
3. 10 is to 3.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay. Now I understood it.
Yes, beta, Mariam Mantasha. Bada, please remember to lower your hand. Yes, Mantasha, beta, tell me. Wait.
Sir, I wanted to say that I have sent. Please check all the parts.
Okay.
Sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, it's audible. 3 to 10, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Mantasha. Okay, it's correct. So all of you do this in the homework also. Okay, this exercise. And if you are completed this question, then move to question number 7. You can say go to question number 7.
So question number 7.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, where I have gone. There are 200 teachers in a school of this much students. Find the ratio of teachers to the student. So we have to simplify.
Yes.
Teachers are 210 and students are 3,300.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir, doing. What's there? 210 upon 3,300 upon 200. You can see 1 0 3 1 0 3 11 1 10 3 7 21. Sir, my answer has came, so I am sending you.
Okay.
By steps I have done. What's there? Teachers. Students is equals to 3,300. So 200 upon 3,300.
Just do it fast.
Okay, sir. submitted it to you. Shall I check it?
Yes, on my number, send me first.
Sir, sending. Sir, send.
Okay, I will check it.
Sir, we have to just simplify.
Yes.
Sir, today is our PTM also.
Yes, beta.
Sir, these questions are very easy.
Beta, but remember this thing. If they are easy, so there are a lot of chances for doing mistakes.
Yes, sir.
So be careful while doing these such type of questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check it later, Sari Shanwas, and okay. So
Okay, sir.
complete this exercise. I will assign it, inshallah. And remember this thing: I will not allow late submissions. Okay. So please do the work in time. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Remember this time I will not allow late submission, so that you should start doing the work.
Sir,
in
please,
time.
can we send till tomorrow?
I will give you time also. Okay, don't worry. But only one
Sir,
day I
because
will. Okay, I will
of,
give one day only.
assessment.
Okay, I will by tomorrow you can send everyone, so everyone can should do it properly. And second thing is that do not directly go to the answer. Just do the stepwise.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You also have PTM today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
From 1:20.
Okay.